you know, it's funny because I didn't feel Pacquiao's punch. He didn't do anything to me.
Kamusta mga pre? Sana ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Sa video natin ngayon ay muli nating pag-usapan at balikan ang naging historic na batbakan ni Golden Boy Dela Hoya kontra sa ating pambansang kamao na si Pacman Pacquiao. At bakit nasabi ni Dela Hoya na di daw siya nasaktan ni Pacquiao sa kanilang laban, na kitang-kita naman sa resulta at sa pag-quit niya sa laban. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting channel, pasuporta naman pre. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong upload. Noong December 6, 2008 ay naisakatuparan ang labang Dela Hoya versus Pacman na may pamagat na The Dream Match sa Las Vegas, Estados Unidos. Sa laban na ito ay bitbit ni Dela Hoya ang record na 39 wins, 5 losses at 30 KOs, habang si Pacman naman ay may 47 wins, 3 losses, 2 draws at 35 KOs. Walang titulong pinaglabanan ang dalawa pero lumaban sila sa welterweight division o 145 pounds. Dihado si Pacman sa laki at angkad ni Dela Hoya. 5'6 lamang ang ating pambansang kamao habang si Dela Hoya ay 5'10. Matatanda ang isang kalibreng boksidor talaga itong si Dela Hoya. Isa sa kaniyang titulo ay ang pagiging Olympic gold medalist, 10 world titles at champion sa 6 na dibisyon. Maraming champion at malalakas na kalaban na tinalo. Sa laban na ito nagkasundo ang dalawang kampo. Bumaba ng isang dibisyon si Dela Hoya from light middleweight to welterweight, habang si Pacman naman ay dalawang dibisyon ang hinabol from lightweight to welterweight para lang mag-abot ang dalawa at mabigyan ng magandang laban ang mga boxing fans. Sa laban na to ay talagang underdog si Manny. Maraming analyst ang nagsabing pabor kay Dela Hoya ang laban dahil sa kaniyang laki, experience at matibay na panga. Sabi pa ni Dela Hoya ay walang makakatalo sa kaniyang team. At sagot naman ni Coach Freddy Roach ay walang makakatulong kay Dela Hoya kung kakasahan na ito ni Manny ng mga kombinasyon niya sa ibabaw ng lona. Ang laban na ito ay may pamagat na The Dream Match pero naging nightmare kay Dela Hoya. Sa unang round pa lang ay palitan na agad ng banat ang dalawa.
He wants the right hand lead against Pacquiao. The Pacquiao is really quick with his feet.
Oscar fighting a little on the flat-footed side, Manny right up on his toes.
Yeah, it's magic so far for Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao is fighting right now. There's the upper
Body and set up the rest of the fight.
Well, he can't hit him with the jab, seemingly. And without being able to touch him up with the jab, he's going to have a difficult time with the right hand. Of course, one big punch with the left hook can change the course of this fight in a minute. In a second.
Pero sa mga sumunod na round ay tila malaking punching bag na lang itong si The Golden Boy nang ikasana ni Manny ang gatilyo ng kaniyang mga kamao.
It's a power upstairs to Oscar because he's swollen around the eyes, on the cheeks. Third round.
And the harder shots have been Dela Hoya's in this round. Pacquiao has landed more.
Manny with a good body. For the right-handed fighter, they say it's for the right hand down the middle of the southpaw. Conversely speaking. And clearly doing more, in my opinion, than Mayweather did in the fight. Mayweather got the split decision. Pacquiao
hurt him there.
Freddie Roach said, just make sure you have the head movement coming in and coming out. And Freddie is the type of guy that gives 1 or 2 instructions to his fighter in between rounds. And Manny business in the ring, and it's a dangerous sport. Right now he's on the receiving end of the speed of Pacquiao with a minute gone in the 5th round of the fight. The left hand to the body with any viciousness at all. And look at Manny, look at the amount of punches he's thrown there.
And the power. Here's a guy that's come up from 106, and he's a legitimate welterweight power puncher here.
Actually heavier. Listen to the crowd's reaction as Pacquiao's tonight. Look at this!
He has been terrific moving up. Meantime, Oscar Dela Hoya has not looked good coming down. This is not a comfortable weight class for him tonight.
Pacquiao, with 2 minutes gone here in the 5th round, is certainly winning the 5th round, and he may have won every round.
Si Dela Hoya ay tila walang magawa kundi ang dumepensa. Namula na ang mukha niya hanggang sa duguan na. Kumakonter minsan naman si Dela Hoya pero swertihan na lang kung makakatama kay Pacman.
We'll have to just throw caution to the wind because the scorecards are pretty soon not going to be issues for him.
Oscar's left eye closing up with that jab and the left hand following it. And now here he tries to exchange it, Manny. Nothing that he throws lands, and Manny touches him up. Oscar isn't really working for Oscar. Even when he opens up, Pacquiao is landing more shots.
But tonight, the speed of Pacquiao on the inside continually disrupts the momentum and the rhythm for Oscar De La Hoya.
And Freddie won't
Feet of Pacquiao have put Pacquiao has maintained his speed and still has good power at 147.
And then he moves, bounces right, bounces left, doesn't let De La Hoya
Boxing and turning them, okay? All right?
Here's Pacquiao. Double jab. Straight left hand through there. You just don't see Oscar De La Hoya taking three-punch combinations like that.
with the left hand, so what does Pacquiao do? He cracks him with the right hand. He's working on that left eye of Oscar De La Hoya and has it almost shut. Oscar not getting off right hands, and he looks like he's almost shell-shy right now. I mean, he's
You don't see De La Hoya on the ropes like this.
caught in the corner, now De La Hoya's caught in the corner. And look at this guy go! Minute 15 seconds ago, and De La Hoya's in trouble.
He can't get off these ropes here.
He should be sliding down the ropes and grabbing this guy. Nothing is working for Oscar.
Sa round na ito ay muntikan ng mapaluhod ni Pacman si Dela Hoya mula sa kaniyang mga kombinisyong binitiwan.
His jab now, the back up against the ropes, and then he's off. Tony Weeks having a good look at Oscar De La Hoya. Look at the legs, ready to go. Oscar De La Hoya. And he nailed him with the right hand. He's all over him right now. Oscar's hurt. Pacquiao pouring.
Round 8 ay hindi na maipinta ang mukha ni The Golden Boy. Para na siyang si Hillboy. Pulang-pula na ang kaniyang mukha.
Rematas al cuerpo, tiras arriba y rematas al cuerpo. Así te va a pegar.
And he's making himself look as good at 147 as he's been anywhere.
Now, Oscar hasn't been able.
We have never seen Oscar De La Hoya in as tentative a position throughout.
De La Hoya has been a great champion, and one big hand could change the course of this fight. Let's see if there's one more miraculous move in Oscar De La Hoya. As I say that, Pacquiao pours the pressure on him, and this might be the miraculous finish of the career of Oscar De La Hoya. Pacquiao really labeling him, blasting him with left hand and right hand. Coach has told him to do, he's executed.
And we've seen De La Hoya again on the ropes at the Sanctuary. No place to win a fight.
Mess with this guy. And the power shots are right downstairs. And look at Pacquiao! Battle to the end of the 8th round! Trying to stop Oscar De La Hoya in his tracks. But they'll end the 8th, another pack.
Bago mag-umpisa ang round 9 ay nagdesisyon na ang kampo at si De La Hoya mismo na itigil na ang laban. Naisip niya siguro na kung papatagalin pa ay baka mas malala pa ang magiging resulta.
Like this.
There was the inspectors talking to Oscar. Pacquiao executing his fight plan beautifully. The side-to-side movement, darting in and out. And these guys were not on the same level tonight. This is as fine a performance, wire to wire, as we've ever seen from that.
Nanalo ang ating kababayan via TKO.
The number 1 pound for pound fighter in the world, the fighting pride of the Philippines, Manny Pacquiao.
Sa isang interbyong ginawa kay De La Hoya tungkol kay Pacman ay sinabi niyang pinakamagaling na nakaharap niya ang ating pambansang kamao dahil sa determinasyon umano, sa skills, speed, footwork at power. Pero nang tinanong siya kung nasaktan ba siya sa laban o talagang malakas ba sumuntok si Pacquiao ay sinabi niyang hindi daw talaga siya nasaktan sa laban.
You know what? It's funny because I didn't feel Pacquiao's punch. It didn't do anything to me.
Mabilis at maraming suntok lang ang binitiwan ni Pacquiao pero di daw niya ito naramdaman. At hindi daw si Pacman ang pinakamahirap niyang nakalaban. Sinabi din niyang hindi niya naramdamang natalo siya nito. Dagdag pa niya, sa laban na yon ay nasa 20% lang daw siya dahil sa diet na ginawa ng kampo niya para lang mahabol ang pagbaba ng timbang. Kinakain lang daw niya ay ang karne ng ostrich, karne ng usa at karne ng kanggaro dahil sinabi daw ng trainer niya na malakas ang mga paa ng kanggaro kaya kung kakain siya nito ay lalakas din ang kanyang paa. Sinabi din niyang kung nasa 2 years younger lang daw siya sa laban na yon at nasa perpektong kondisyon ay sobrang dali lang daw ang laban na yon. Anong masasabi mo sa banat ni Dela Hoya mga pre? Naniniwala ka ba sa pinagsasabi niya? Hindi ba talaga siya nasaktan ni Pacman? Tara sa baba pre, pag-usapan natin yan. Salamat sa panonood.